time to enjoy your daily dose of Bollywood gossip on Hot Wire. Tiger Shroff is pissed off with his brand managers. Looks like he's taking his action hero image too seriously off screen as well. My Bollywood will exclusively tell you why Tiger is angry. Baghi की success के बाद all youth endorsement brands should have approached him instead of Varun, Sushant, etc. Right? Maybe now you must consider changing the definition of a successful film after the reality check from brands, no?
जी शायद सही कह रहे आप.
Shraddha Kapoor has lost out on a big deal with a fashion portal as they were not happy with her impact as a fashion diva at the Manish Malhotra fashion show this year. My Bollywood की exclusive sources से पता चला है that Shraddha is quite unhappy on losing this endorsement. जब competition में Deepika, Alia, Katrina होंगे तो this shouldn't be that big a shocker, Shraddha. We hope you make it to the list next time.
मुझे इसके बारे में पता नहीं है, मैं honestly आपसे कहूँगी काश पता होता.
Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput have named their daughter Misha. Well, that's quite adorable with both parents combining their names for their daughter. We hope just like the name, we get to see some cute pictures of Shahid's little girl. What say, Shahid?
But I appreciate the fact that you are giving me my space. Thank you.
Pink has done fairly well in its opening weekend. Rightly so, films with a social message have become a growing trend in Bollywood. इस फिल्म की सक्सेस से एक्साइट होकर the entire team was spotted at a media outing to share their joy.
हमने इस फिल्म में कोई भी प्रचार नहीं किया, ना ही हमने कहा कि आप ऐसा कीजिए, ऐसा मत कीजिए. हमने केवल जैसा कि मैंने कहा एक शीशा आपके सामने रख दिया है और जनता बहुत ही होशियार है.
Isn't it a smart idea for post-release promotion? After all, word of mouth and frequent media appearances से फिल्म को extra benefit तो मिलेगा ही. Salman Khan और Kabir Khan will team up for the fourth time for a film that will be produced by Salman's sister Alvira. Well, Salman और Kabir के initial clashes को देखकर who knew this जोड़ी would become the hit machine?
जी, I think इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जब सक्सेसफुल होते हैं आप तो बिल्कुल ही ऐसे होता है कि दुनिया आपको राजा बना देती है और जब आपकी फिल्म कामयाब नहीं होती तो बिल्कुल ही ऐसा लगता है कि कोई आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहता.
Good news for their fans, no? ये संजय लीला भंसाली पद्मावती बनाने के बाद रिटायरमेंट ना ले ले. No. The director has no such plans yet. But looking at his leading boys Ranveer and Shahid's demands for their roles in the film, this could happen soon. अब रणवीर सिंह की न्यू डिमांड देख लो. He wants Shahid's role to be promoted as guest appearance in the movie.
If you don't get along with them, so you have to spend 40 days with people you don't like.
We would suggest the boys to calm down and allow the director to make his film. Kareena Kapoor is happy and gearing up for motherhood, but the actress is making sure she's in news for her upcoming movie more than her pregnancy. Latest is that Kareena will continue to shoot till October for Veeredi Wedding with Sonam Kapoor. Good for you, Kareena. Hope you succeed in breaking the stereotypes in Bollywood about actresses working after marriage.
We're still in a nation where we've been asked, oh, you're getting married, are you still going to work? Oh, you're having a child, are you still going to work? These questions upset me.
Hrithik Roshan and SRK were all set to have a clash in 2018 as well. रईस और काबिल की रिलीज को लेकर इनका क्लैश अभी सेटल ही हुआ था that Krish 4 and Anand L. Rai's next starring Shah Rukh Khan have become talking point. But guess what? Rakesh Roshan has backed off from Christmas 2018 release for Krish 4 since he wants to make films and avoid controversies. We hope Hrithik Roshan is listening to Papa's advice. What say Hrithik?
I mean seriously, अगर ये ना होते तो शायद एक दो क्लास में फेल हो जाता.
Hang on till we are back soon with more scoop and more gossip from B-Town on Hot Wire.